Okay, let us see the next topic now, which is document type and number ranges. See, when we post a document, the system generates a number range, right? Let me just go to FB03 where we can see all the documents posted. Document list. Own documents, fiscal year 2009, run it. See this document numbers. Document number starting with 1 series, and this one starts with 14 series, and this one starts with 15 series. This one starts with 16 series, right? How the system knows which series to use when it generates the document number during the saving of the document? When the document is saved, document number is generated automatically, right? So how the system will know what number series to use? Where is it taking the number series? It is using the document type here. This is document type. This document type is the one which determines a number range. Let me prove it to you. Okay, let me prove this to you. Come here, go to new accounting here. Okay, not this one, here. Document, see this? Let me go to here, document type. Alright, you see all the document type here. This corresponds to this document type here. Okay, let me go to SA. SA is just a code. The document is just a code. It's a key. GL account document. You double click. See this? I have a whole lot of fields which is tied to this document type. What is this? The most important thing is this number range. This document type has got a number range of 01. What is 01 stands for? I go here. 01 stands for, I put company code Sun, I display. See, 01. 01 stands for, we go to 2009. See, number range 1 series, which corresponds to this. What this means is that as long as you use a document type of SA, that will link to document number range key of 01. This is just a key, okay, and it is linked to 01. Let me go up here. 01 2009, and we'll pick the number from here. What it means is that, let me draw something for you. Document type is linked to number range is linked to year, financial year, and the number range. Number series. Okay, let's look at it now. Document document type, go back, is linked to, this is a document type, is linked to number range, linked to number range. Number range contains a financial year and number series. I need to put a Sun company, come here, see this. This is a number series, right? You will go to the respective financial year and pick the number series. So the last number used is 1004. I can show this to you. See, last number is used 10004. So the next number should be 1005. You can also see the last number here used. If I post another document, it will use 10005. Why the system is not going to 2008 number series? The reason is it determines the year from the posting date that you enter. For example, here you go to AB50, see the posting date. Posting date has got a 2009, right? So the system will know from the 2009 it has to go to the 2009 bucket. It's something like a bucket, right? It won't go to 2008. It will come to this bucket and check the next available number is 10005 and use that. So the maximum we can go is, this is the maximum number, more than enough, more than a billion, okay. This is all set up for you nicely, but let's say if you want to use a new one, if you want to change this SA to use a different number range, all you have to do is come here, put Sun, and you use this is to display, this is to check the status, right? This is to create a new number. I can put for 2009, I can change the number range to something else. Let's say should start from 3000 series. So the next number that it will create will be starting from this number range, okay. Right, you can also create a new one if you want to. Let me go back, number range, Sun, intervals. This is to create a new interval. You have to put a number range. This is a number range, right? You have to put something which is not used yet. I hope this is not used. 2009, and from number, let's say 1200 to 102999. This number range, and I have to use, I say this should be available and should not be used previously. This number, once I have to create this, right? I don't create. Once you create a number, you have to come here and assign 33 here. So you have to assign the number range to this document type, so that the next time you create a document, the system will automatically use number series that you have set up here. So how the system will know what document? We have lots of document type here. How the system will know which document type to use? That's another question that will pop up in your mind, right? Let's say I'm going to B50. Nowhere I'm saying that the system should use this particular document type. Yeah, no, right? So how the system will know that it should use SA? Because it's already pre-programmed. For these screens, B50, all the new screens is pre-programmed. This is a new screen for journal entry posting. This is a new screen for account receivable posting, and this is a new screen for accounts payable posting. Let me save this document type. I want to create another one because I want to show you new T codes. New screens for data entry is video black. Yep. New screens for data entry is this. B50 for journal entry, B60 and B70 for AR invoice, and B60 is for AP invoice. Okay, and the old one is entry is F-2. Complex posting. Okay, got it? Right, so for all these three, this one accounts payable, have B60, see, B60 AP invoice, right? All these three screens, you don't have to specify the document type because the system will automatically assign a document type, which is this. Let me assign the document type here. For journal entry, the document type is SA. For AR is DR. For AP is KR. These are default. You don't have to specify anything. Okay, let me just prove it to you. Go to document list. Remember we posted AP invoice. You see the document type is automatically defaulted to KR. Do you remember selecting KR anywhere? No, right? See, all these things are the AR invoice that we posted. That's why it has got DR, document type of DR. Okay, and all the journal entry postings is defaulted to SA. But for app-02, the document type is not defaulted. You have to manually change. Document type. Once again, let me go to F-02. It's a complex posting. Okay, see this document type. When I showed you the examples of posting AR and AP invoices using this complex posting, I didn't ask you to change the document type. I left it to SA. Okay, that's why here the document list, it is using the document number 1 series, even though I posted the AR invoice, AP invoice. Just bear in mind, this is still okay. For AR and AP invoice, if you steal a document type by SA, which is meant for journal entry, it is still okay, because the only problem is the document number range which is generated will use the 1 series, because SA is linked to 1 series. That's the only difference. But your postings, the debit and credit postings and account to be posted, all will be alright. So it's not really a big issue if you use the same document type. But the problem is the best practices of SAP suggest that you use a separate document type or separate transaction, so that when you do reporting, you can actually filter the report by the document type to see which are the sales invoices, which are the AP invoices, which are the journal entry invoices. Journal entry documents. If you don't have a flag, this will serve as a flag. Document type will serve as a flag during the reporting. You can filter by the document type. That's the reason it's advisable to use a separate document type for separate different transactions. The other thing is at one look, since if you use a separate KR document type, the number range will be different. At one look, by looking at 18, you know that it is a customer invoice. That's another purpose, to differentiate the document number ranges. Alright, but for complex posting, you have to manually change it here. If you want to post a customer invoice, you have to change it to DR and then proceed to enter 01 customer and a customer account. Right, this thing, but it's optional. The system will not reject or restrict you from posting an AR invoice if you have used the document type of SA. You can still proceed. Let me show you. I use SA, which is meant for GL accounts, journal entry. See, I can still proceed to enter. It allows me to proceed, but the correct one to use is DR. The correct one to use is DR. Use DR, will be much more better, because the number range that will be generated will be 18 number series. Okay, let me just change this, save this. Okay, that's about document type and number ranges. So you know where the number range is determined from is from the document type, right? You know what is the purpose of document type, and you know why the document type is not displayed in the new screens, because it's pre-programmed, pre-assigned. You don't pre-assigned by the system. You don't have to select anything. You have to select only for the complex postings.